Hi there and welcome back. Let us look at some Besselj functions and their derivatives. The previous example, we just looked at Besselj functions but not their derivatives. This time around, let us explore the derivatives. To start, we are going to define our array. We're going to say x is equals to linspace from 0 to 10 and 100 points. Compute the Besselj function of the first kind and its derivative by subplotting 2 rows, 2 columns, position 1. Plot Besselj function j, which is the first kind, and by its inverse by including the negative sign, include your legend, title your graph, include the x and y axis, also the grid on. Next up, let us look at the Besselj function for the second kind and its derivative by plotting subplot 2 rows, 2 columns, the second position. Plot Besselj y, which is Besselj function of the second kind. To include its derivative, include the negative sign there. The alpha now changes from 0 to 1 since we are looking at its derivative. Include your legend, title, x label, and y label. Don't forget the grid on. Let's do Besselj function modified for the first kind. Subplot 2 rows, 2 columns, third position. Plot Besselj I, which is for the modified first kind, and an alpha of 0. Its derivative by including the negative sign, and now we are at 1 since we are looking at the derivative of the first kind modified. Include your legend, title your graph, x label, and y label, also the grid on. And lastly, the modified second kind and its derivative. Subplot on the fourth position. Plot Besselj k, which is the modified Besselj function of the second kind. Include its derivative, legend, title, x label, y label, and the grid on. If you run your file, you should be able to observe your functions, each with its derivative. Everything titled, our legends included, x label and y label included, plus the grid lines are included. Okay, now, thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.